I'm building a computer with a gigabyte main board and an i5 processor. Yeah, it costs a lot, but somebody really needs this system with 16 gigs of memory and a 500 gig SSD. Yeah, that's what we call it. 480. Yeah. So I'm just going to look at this, install the CPU, maybe. Yeah, we got the shield, we got two SATA cables, piece of cardboard, and the main board. That's it. Or there's something under this part. Oh, just some papers. And a driver CD. Okay, that's interesting. Here's a layout of the main board. Yeah, that seems about right. Yeah. Yep, it has HDMI and the VGA port. That's important. And that's it. So let's see. Let's open up the packaging and install the components. Maybe. Yeah, Scotch tape. Nothing beats Scotch tape. Except for a blade. So let's see. Yeah. Kind of a small main board with the ports and stuff. Yeah. It's about what you'd expect for how many? Like 30 something dollars? No, not 30. I'm being stupid here. Like 60, $70. Yeah. It needs, oh boy, 8 pins for power. That's interesting. It has an M.2 slot, PCI Express, a small PCI Express, 2 memory slots, no RGB. Oh yeah, it has RGB. Haha, it has an RGB connector. That's so funny. Here, 12 volt GRB. Yeah. Kind of what you'd expect. Yeah. Nothing on the bottom, no second M.2 slot. So let's see. The processor, Core i5, this LGA 1200. What does it have inside? 12 megs of cache. Yeah, whatever. Spec. Yeah, batch, whatever. It will have 12 threads and stuff. Okay, let's undo this. Where's the undoer? Like this, maybe, without cutting myself. Oh boy, I didn't even realize this. Made in Vietnam. That's interesting. Haha. Okay. They outsourced manufacturing. So let's see. Intel processor, genuine Intel. It's not counterfeit. It has the stupid small cooler included, but I don't need. I mean, this system doesn't need anything better. Here's the processor. Yeah, I got one of these. Ultra cool. Yep. And the processor with pre-applied paste. Hopefully. Yep, it's got the paste. Your standard 50-watt cooler. Yeah, they say it's 65, but yeah, it can barely handle 50 watts. But it's good enough for this application. So, yeah, let's see the processor. Let's install it or something. Where's the notch? Oh, here's the notch. Or this one. Yeah, whatever. I just push it as hard as I can, and if it doesn't go in, then whatever. So the notch is there, like this. Yep, that's how it goes in. It can't go in any other way. Put this down and this. Okay, we have to keep this one because it's important for warranty. So this is inside, Intel inside. And put on the cooler with its crappy paste. Oh boy. The cable is jammed in here. I mean the wires. Like that. Put it in. Are they in the correct position? Yep. Okay. Let's just put it down. It's in place, and then push down the pins. 1, diagonally 2, 3, 4, and the heat will soften the paste and apply it. And here's the fan. Alright, now let's see the memory, and that's about it. That's assembling a computer nowadays, because we can't afford video cards. And yeah, how do you open this package? Like this. This was on sale. This computer doesn't really need such fancy memory, but yeah, this is what I got. 3200 Kingston Fury Beast, whatever. Any part number here or something? KFC. Yeah, does it say the frequency? Kit of 2, voltage. Nope, it doesn't say. On the packaging, nope. Oh, here it says in tiny little letters, DDR 3200 and CL whatever. I didn't care. This is replacing a very, very old computer, so I don't really care about exact speeds. It will be like 10 generations newer or more, but at least 10 generations newer than the old computer, so I'm not worried about not being fast enough. Yeah, it's in. And the other stick, it's in. Hallelujah. So yeah, I'll have to put the power supply into the case, and that's it. Oh, let me bring the power supply. I know this is overkill, I mean, from a crappy brand, but it has a good efficiency. and I don't need 550 watts, but yeah, it has a silent fan, and they had it in stock, so that was the most important factor. If they have it, I will buy it. If they don't have it, yeah, tough luck. Yeah, it has some specs here. Yeah, whatever, it will power the 60-watt processor here, no problem, and the SSD, and it will maybe have an optical drive. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing, I think. Oh, let me show you the SSD. Any specs here? Business Technology Park. Okay, this is Taiwan. Yeah. So it's unboxed, and I will assemble it and put on some windows and stuff, and yeah. Not very exciting nowadays, assembling a computer without a video card. Tough times. Tough times.